Hello students, today we will cover another chapter of our Beehive book, that is Reach for the Top Part 2. In the previous class we had discussed Part 1, that is Santosh Yadav, and Part 2 which we are going to discuss today, that is Maria Sharapova. This chapter is a biographical sketch and it focuses on the grand achievement of tennis player Maria Sharapova, who earned the title of world number 1 in women's tennis in 2005. Maria Sharapova is a great lady who earned the name or earned the title that the number 1 in women tennis in 2005. The author says that one has to pay for the price for reaching the top. Means when you want to get success or achieve something, then you have to pay in the form of hard labor and rigorous training and sacrifice. Sometimes one has to undergo mental torture too. This path to success, but these rewards are always sweet and satisfying. Means if we simply say that to achieve something we have to give the hard labor. When we perform the hard labor, then we can achieve anything. And sometimes we have to go through the mental torture and even many sacrifices. So Maria Sharapova story of success as become the top succeeded woman tennis player in the world motivates us. This story motivates us a lot. She overcame all the hurdles and bore humiliation in order to achieve her dream. Maria's hunger for success and her competitive spirit kept her going. It is about the lady Maria Sharapova who had overcome many hurdles, and she also overcome the humiliation in order to achieve her dream. And the hunger or the curiosity towards the success or the competitive spirit always make her going on. Always she was keep on her success due to her hunger towards the success or the curiosity towards the success. Maria Sharapova was born in Siberia, which is in Russia. As a teenager, she took only 4 years of training to become the top seeded woman tennis player. And when she was a teenager, at that time, she took 4 years of training to get success in the field of tennis. The fact growth of her career started 9 years ago when she made a big sacrifice which can be made by very few children of that young age. She had not even turned 10 when she was sent to Florida, USA with her father for training in tennis. When she was just 9 years old, a small child, a growing up child, at that time she sent to Florida with her father for training. Means from the childhood she was sent for the training of tennis game. She was extremely sad as she had to spend 2 years separation from her mother, Elena. Maria mother was forced to stay back in Siberia because she did not have the permission to travel US. At the tender age of 9, Maria learned that in order to excel at tennis, she would have to make many sacrifices. And to learn the tennis game properly, she had sacrificed a lot. She sacrificed her mother. Sacrificed means she was separated from her mother at a tender age of 9 and she sent to Florida. Maria Maria said that she used to remain alone and missed her mother a lot because she was a child of 9 years old and she was staying alone. So she missed her mother a lot. Her mother worked hard to fetch money for her needs and so she also could not meet her. And to make a bright future of the child, her mother worked hard and that's why she could not meet her. Maria was very young and so she would go to sleep at 8 p.m. The other students would return at 11 and wake her up ordering her to clean the room. She was a small child of 9 years so she slept earlier and when other children come later at night they wake her up to ordering her to clean the room. Maria did not get depressed by all this. Instead, she became determined and mentally tough. She took care of herself. She never thought of leaving the training because she was determined to achieve her aim. She was a girl of great determination. That's why she was not depressed and though she left her mother and she was staying alone, still that she was very hardworking and she took care of herself. When a person has nothing, he craves and becomes determined to get it. She says that she would have borne greater humiliation and insult also in order to achieve her dream. Maria also faced the great humiliation and insult when she was in training center, but she was not thinking about that. She was only thinking about her own dream, how to make her dream fulfill. Maria retains her determination till present day. This determination led her to grab the women's single trophy at the Wimbledon Championship in 2004, followed by the rapid climb to the position in 2005. Due to her great determination, she had achieved the Wimbledon Championship in 2004. Tennis fans feel emotional to know about Maria's journey from the frozen region of Siberia, but she is not moved by it. She gives straight answer when questioned about her aims, which imply that she accepts the hurdles and challenges she faced were worth the result that she get. Maria said that her great determination, hard work, her labor brought her the success. She accepted every hurdles and challenges of her life and she faced it strongly, and that great determination and the intention of accepting all kind of hurdles and challenges brought her the success. She also says that she is competitive and works hard as she considers it to be a part of her work. This is Maria's secret for success. And about her secret of success, she says that her competitive spirit and hard labor that brought her the success. Though Maria was a Russian, but her American accent was very nice. She could speak American very fluently and beautifully, but she proud to be a Russian. She says that USA is a big part of her life because she trained there, but in core of her heart she is a Russian. She appreciates USA and she loves USA because she got training there, but in the core of her heart the Russia is always there. She holds the citizenship of Russia. Her ancestors are Russian and she is willing to represent Russia at the Olympics too. Like other teenagers her age, Maria's favorite pastime are fashion, singing and dancing. She likes to read novels written by Arthur Conan Doyle, the creator of Sherlock Holmes. Like other teenagers, Maria had also beautiful habits. She had the favorite pastime, and what are those? Like fashion, singing, and dancing. She also likes to read novels written by Arthur Conan Doyle. She likes to wear fashionable evening gowns looking at her fit body. It is unbelievable that she likes to eat pancake with chocolate spread and drink aerate orange flavored drinks. Maria cannot be put into particular category. Her talent, urge to succeed, and sacrificing nature helped her reach the top position in women's tennis. She cannot be categorized in a particular category because her talent and her urge to succeed and sacrificing nature make her reach the top position in women's tennis. No one will oppose the benefits that she is getting now because she made many sacrifices to get them. She says that money motivates her to work hard. Another important thing that motivates her that money. She is getting uh, good money now, but she says that the tennis brought her the money, and due to get money she also inspired a lot to play the tennis. Tennis is both a sport and business, but the most important aspect for her was to reach the top spot in women tennis. Though she said that tennis is both a sport and business, but it is important that to reach the top place in women tennis. It was the dream that kept her working further. Means her hard work, determination, and the challenge accepting nature is always helped her in her life. She inspired by her own situation. Her great determination always kept her keep going. So this chapter is inspiring all the students to be great determined and to get the success in their life. Thank you.